In 2025, investing in America is changing fast. Robo advisors and automated wealth platforms are giving people access to smart money management once only available to Wall Street. From New York to San Francisco, investors are turning to these AI powered tools for faster, cheaper, and smarter investing. Robo advisors use artificial intelligence and machine learning to study financial data, building portfolios, and adjust them automatically as markets move. They invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds, helping people manage risk and grow wealth without expensive human advisors. The biggest advantage is accessibility. With just a smartphone and a small deposit, anyone can start investing. These platforms offer diversification, rebalancing, and even tax saving strategies. Millennials, Gen Z, and new investors are embracing robo advisors because they make finance simple and affordable. Big names like Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Batman, and Wealthfront are leading this shift, while fintech startups are adding new features like crypto investing and real time portfolio updates. Trillions of dollars are expected to move into AI driven wealth management in the next few years. The future of investing is clear. It will be automated, intelligent, and available to everyone. Robo advisors are opening the doors to smarter financial growth and changing how America builds wealth.